Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the engine and carbonized cabin air filter for LEXUS. It is compatible with the GS350 IS350 and some other models. So I purchased this for the 2007 LEXUS GS350, and the price for both of them was $15.50 free shipping plus tax. So the total damage is $16.86. So that's a pretty awesome deal. If you go to Walmart or O'Reilly or AutoZone, just one of them probably costs around like 15 to 20 bucks already, or $11. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go ahead and check it out. So this one is the cabin filter. So you know it's carbonized because due to the gray color. If it's non-carbonized, normally just plain white color. So yeah, when you install it, make sure you look at the arrow. This one is pointed up. So yeah, you need to install it accordingly. And this one is the air filter. Pretty sturdy and strong, not like other one is like flimsy. And then on top there's like a felt. So yeah, both of them for 16 something, less than 17 bucks. You cannot go wrong. Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're going to change this 2007 LEXUS GS350, the air filter, the cabin filter. So we need to remove the fastener over here. And then there's a plastic bowl right there to remove to get it inside the air filter. So I'm going to put this open. Another cut right here. So the top looks pretty clean, but not the bottom is so dirty. So yeah, this is a new one. Okay, I put it in. There you go. And then I'm going to clip it back. Make sure the cable is fastened in here. So it's supposed to be a 4 fastener, and this one is missing. So when you put it back in, insert is in between. Oh no no. 这个是 filter， 机油不是你，是 filter， 我的 filter 是在勾把。
所以我的那个里面臭臭的，就是上次在送你的那个发现会臭臭的，
永远都是有 air。
补助好大，因为那个。
Okay, so with this cabin filter, I will need to remove all the CDs and everything, and remove this shelf. So I remove this shelf right here. Let's see, why is it so stiff? I pull it out. There you go. What? Cover right here. Oh my god. I gotta get this panel out real quick. There you go. Huh? So weird. Normally there's a cover to cover the whole thing. So you gotta press both of the clip on each side to get it out. Dusty.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get it out, and then if I look for the arrow, it shows up. So make sure when you get the new one, it shows up. So you gotta squeeze this to get it out, top and bottom. Oh, so dusty.
Whoa.
This one is carbonized right now, so it's kill more bacteria instead of just a regular white color. Okay.
Alright.
Should we twist down here quick? That's it. Oh my god.
No.
Okay. So I put the block cover back in. Now slide it shelf back. Okay. Make sure I put it correctly. Slice it in. That's it. Okay. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.